Jaecoo alarms frequently trigger due to three main culprits: a faulty hood switch, a problematic proximity antenna, or a weak key fob battery. Start by checking these components. The hood switch, located on the hood latch, can corrode or misalign, falsely signaling an open hood. The proximity antenna, part of the keyless entry system, might suffer from interference or damage, leading to false no-key detected alerts. Lastly, a low-key fob battery weakens its signal, mimicking proximity issues. Addressing these areas will resolve most false alarms. For the hood switch, inspect for corrosion and proper alignment. Clean contacts and apply dielectric grease. Consider replacing it if cleaning doesn't work, around $20. For the proximity antenna, ensure no nearby devices cause interference. Professional rewiring may be needed if damaged, around $150, potentially covered under warranty. Replace the key fob battery with a CR2032, about $5. A low battery is a common issue causing weak signals. Regularly reset your vehicle's body control module to mitigate software bugs. If problems persist, consult a Jaecoo dealer for diagnostics, which is often free under warranty.